morning. It's morning. Hi, Fez. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Good night. Good
morning.
night.
Morning.
Morning.
Just wake up. The night was good.
He's lying, you guys. It's not morning, it's late afternoon, and we're just starting the vlog. But that's okay. Once we get the vlog done, that's all that matters. I took time today and get my hair done and rested and edited and chill and spend time with the fam bam and look after my sick baby.
Not to me, Tyler.
I have two big baby, my little baby, and he have a terrible cough. And I can't even make the sound raspiness in his voice. And I gave him medicine, but of course as Jamaican you have to remedy things up. So I have some garlic. You guys see the time? Almost 5 o'clock. I have some garlic and honey. I have some garlic and honey been marinated for the past 3 months, and he loved medicine, but he loved the medicine when it's red. And when he saw the thing in the medicine syringe just now, he's like, no. And he ran, and babe and I tricked him and syringe in his mouth, and he go, he started crying. But as Mama said, I said to him, close your mouth, and he closed his mouth and swallowed it. So that's a start. Before bed, I'm going to give him another shot of it, and he should be good in the next 2-3 days. Okay? He's here chilling on his tablet. Tell Fez what you're doing. Say morning, Fez. Say hi, Fez. Tell him I'm sick. I have a cough and a cold. Yeah, Mama just gave you honey. How does the honey taste? How did the honey taste? Mama say what? Mama say close your mouth, right? Right? And you swallowed it? Huh? I tell you, because I know he would spit it out or he would gag, and I just say close your mouth, and he closed his mouth and swallowed it. So that's good. Anyway, you guys, we hope you guys are having a good day, and hope you guys are staying wonderful, staying blessed, staying motivated, and getting your workout in. It doesn't really matter what is it that you do, just do something. And on that note, of course I'm in my favorite place because I'm just looking at my hair because it's fresh. I just did it. Add some braids to the end. So I didn't braid it from up here because I don't know how to add braid when cornrowing to my natural hair. So all this up here is my natural hair, and I just added the braid from here down to make it look like it's mine. Anyway, I am in the kitchen right now and I'm going to cook. I decided that I am going to make some sweet and sour chicken because I haven't had sweet and sour chicken in a long time. So this is the honey that I marinated. I had this from about 3 months now, so it's well marinated, and I hate honey. Oh, Tyler gagged just now. But it'll get better. Anyway, you guys, I am going to cook right now, so of course I'm taking you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay guys, let's cook. Here I have some chicken. Focus. Here I have the chicken that I'm going to sweet and sour, and since I just seasoned this and let it marinate, I'm now adding some egg powder to it, or food coloring, whatever you guys call this. We call it egg powder in Jamaica, so I'll stick to that just to change the color, to make it orange. It doesn't give it any taste, it just changes the color, so you can easily use some orange food coloring and mix that around. All right, I'll let that rest. And in this pot, so what I'm gonna do now is in this pan, let me wash this off my hand. In this pan, I am going to throw some flour because I'm going to, and then I'm going to add some more of the coloring and a little salt. And if you guys want to find out how I make sweet and sour, I have it on my food channel, which you can find the link in the description box. So don't worry about that. If you want to know how I make sweet and sour, you can make this whether with bones or without bones, and mine are going with bones. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to throw some of the chicken in this flour over here that I'm going to fry. And over here, I have my fryer, which already preheated. And the reason why I'm even making sweet and sour is because this oil is getting a bit old and I'm going to change it tonight. So I'm getting a last use out of the oil before I throw it away. So I'm just going to flour these chicken and put them right in there. So I'm gonna do that to all these pieces. The chicken is frying. I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce, which I'm going to use sweet peppers, vinegar, onion, and pineapple. So let's do this. So I'm going to throw the vinegar in the pot first. Oh, and sugar. I'm gonna add some sugar to it. You must have sugar. So my vinegar is going to give it the tangy taste, and my sugar is gonna give it the sweet taste. And you want it to be orange, so I'm gonna add some more of this into that liquid. So that's what's going on in the pot so far. That's just some liquid in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water to that. There we go. Okay guys, so the sauce pack is on. Everything is in that. Sugar, vinegar, water, assorted sweet peppers, onion, and pineapple slices. So all I'm going to do is make this simmer a little bit, make it thick, and then I'm gonna throw the chicken in it and let that simmer. And that should be good to go. Guys, pot's bubbling, 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 bubbling. My assistant finally reached. The wash up king. Chicken's finished. Babe finished frying the chickens for me. We'll take them out of the oil more likely, because it's gonna tell her that no, he didn't cook them. But geez, I have to eat a piece of these before I put them in the sauce. Would you like to taste, my love?
Of course I would like to taste.
Taste it. Anyway, you guys, I'm just going to throw these right into this sauce. Right in there. And the sweet and sour sauce. And let that simmer. And my sweet and sour chicken is ready. 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 And then I'm cooking green beans right there, sweet potato right there. I have a little leftover rice, and I'm gonna put this corn onto that green bean. So there you go, dinner. It's all good. Sweet and sour chickens there, bean and corn, some rice, and some sweet potato. We're all set. All right, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy cooking dinner with me today. I'm going to go now and feed my babies. my face. You guys, we filmed a Q&A today that won't be out by the time you guys watching this. It will be out on Saturday, so be sure that your notifications are on so you guys can catch it on Saturday. It will be fun. Tyler is off to bed. He's really not feeling well.
And it's late, so we off to bed in a minute too.
Yeah, it breaks my heart every time Tyler is sick, because especially when he have a cold and I have to flush his nose, and the way they clean the nose here in France is that I have to squeeze some water from a tube into this nostril and into this nostril, and the technique that they use, it's really painful. Unlike in Jamaica when the kid have a cold,
it's not painful. I don't say it's painful.
It's just painful for me.
Okay.
It's painful for me to do, not painful for him to not the feeling. It's painful for me to see him go through the crying. And in Jamaica I've never seen them do that. They don't do anything. They blow the nose.
Okay.
Or suck the coal out through your mouth.
Okay, you can do that too if you want.
But I don't like that technique, but it works.
At least it's not as bad as you know, when he can't sleep and wake up every 2-3 hours.
Yeah, he slept well last night. I'm surprised he slept well last night, because the night before that he didn't really sleep so
nothing
well.
Because he's running, so his nose is kind of clear. It's just that he's liquid.
When his eyes running all day today, he said, "Mama, I am crying. Mama, I'm crying." That's so cute. Anyway, you guys, we're going to go ahead and give you guys the Jamaican and the French expression for today. And the Jamaican expression for today is "nof." If you hear a Jamaican say, "Hey girl, how you so nuff?" or "Hey boy, how you so nuff?" simple mean you're in everybody's argument, you're in everybody's conversation, everything you want to be a part of. Nuffy. So they call it nuffy.
Nuff.
Yes. Hey girl, it's so nuff.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to be in everything. You're nosy, nuffy sharp.
Okay. You want to know what's the French expression?
Yes.
So the French, it's gonna be a French word today. I don't have any expression in my head coming right now. So that's gonna be the French word for today is oreiller. Oreiller simply means pillow, because I'm going to my bed in a minute. Say it.
Oreiller.
Oreiller.
You know the R word comes, so please.
Oreiller.
Please.
Tyler should be here. Tyler should be here.
The R one comes, so don't pressure the sister.
Try one more.
I just tried.
It
won't. Oreiller.
Right. The problem is not the R, the problem is the ye.
No, the problem is the R.
You say already. Alright. You get it?
Make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fan band. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.